Welcome to the short presentation of ExtrAXION Rebars, the add-on to ExtrAXION, the quantity takeoff software tool. ExtrAXION Rebars allows the rapid, high-precision measurement of steel reinforcement, directly from the drawings, allowing more accurate cost estimation of projects. The measurements can be made on any structural elements, and ExtrAXION Rebars is designed for estimators, civil engineers, quantity surveyors, builders, and contractors who need to have accurate data for the reinforcement. The rebar measurements are organized in a tree view which contains any number of drawings, measurement sheets, structural elements, and rebars. You can measure the length of a single straight line or a polyline, for example main slab rebars. Click at its first point. Continue this way until you reach the end point of the rebar polyline. Select the diameter and define other properties. Type or measure the allocation length and the spacing. You can measure rebars of all structural elements using just a floor plan. By measuring one beam rebar. Then clicking on Same Elements Number, and determine the number of rebars. At ExtrAXION Rebars there are ready-made reinforcement bars. You can use another way, shape from library, to measure rebars which are not even shown on the drawing. For example beam bars. Or rebars which are perpendicular to the drawing, for example main column bars. You can create rebar tables and export them to Excel. Thank you for watching. Please contact us for more information on ExtrAXION Rebars at alconsoft.com.